Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Solomon and today we are going to be doing something very interesting. We are going to be singing a song. Now this is a song all of us know very well. So when we do this, I want you to sing along with me, alright? But here's the condition. When you do sing along, you do all the parts just like how I would do it, alright? Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, and a moo-moo, yeah, and a... Wait. When have you ever heard a cow say moo? I have never heard a cow say moo. Okay, let's try it again, but this time let's try to do what a cow would actually say, alright? Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, and a moo here, and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You get the hang of it, right? Okay, let's try a few more animals. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, and a yeah, and a there, you're a there, everywhere. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You getting the hang of it? All right. Let's see how many more animals we can do. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a rooster, E-I-E-I-O, and a here, and a there, you're there, everywhere. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a pig, E-I-E-I-O, and a yeah, and a yeah, you're a croc, there a croc, everywhere. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a cat, E-I-E-I-O, and a meow here, and a meow there, you're a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow, meow. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a dog, E-I-E-I-O, and a ruff, ruff, yeah, and a ruff, ruff, there, you're a ruff, there a ruff, everywhere, ruff, ruff. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a duck, E-I-E-I-O, and a quack quack here, and a quack quack there, you're a quack, there a quack, everywhere, quack quack. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now let me tell you something interesting about this duck. Now this duck has a very good sense of humor, enjoys listening to jokes, but sometimes this duck can get angry and argue with people as well. So you know what? The other day I was telling this duck a joke. I don't remember what the joke was, but you know, this duck has the most amazing way of laughing. This is how the duck actually ended up laughing. And you know what? And when I said something that made the duck angry, he started arguing with me and started grumbling about certain things. So this is what the duck would actually say. Interesting duck. If you get a chance to meet him, you have to meet this duck. But anyway, let's get back to the song, right? Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm there was a monkey, E-I-E-I-O, and a yeah, and a there, You're a hoo-hoo, there a hoo-hoo, everywhere a hoo-hoo-hoo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm there was a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. And a man, yeah, and a man there, and a you're a man, there a man, everywhere a man. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm there was a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. And a here, and a there, you're a there a everywhere a Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm there was a horse, E-I-E-I-O. And okay. And where is the horse? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. The horse on Old MacDonald's farm always loves running away, never stays in one place, never says anything. So you know what? Instead of this horse making sounds, this horse always ran. So the horse kind of sounded like this. And those are the animals on Old MacDonald's farm. And I hope you liked it. And you know what? I would love to hear some of you all make these animal sounds. And you don't only have to stick to these animals that I made today. I would like to hear you make as many animal sounds that you can think of. And you know, the best way to know what and how to make these animal sounds is to listen to them, observe the sounds they're trying to make, and try to make them based on what you hear. So guys, I hope that this time that you're spending at home, you'll be able to work on your skills on mimicking animal sounds.